How to make Belgian waffles. You'll need 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 cups of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. First, preheat your waffle iron and set it aside. In a large bowl, mix together the flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. Next, separate the yolk from the egg whites into a medium bowl and a small bowl. Beat the egg whites with a hand mixer until soft peaks form. Mix together the yolks, vegetable oil, milk, and vanilla extract. Add the egg yolk mixture to the bowl with the dry ingredients and mix well. Now fold in the egg whites. Pour the batter into your waffle iron and cook according to the manufacturer's instructions. Typically, this is between 3 and 4 minutes. Serve with your favorite toppings and fresh fruit. Enjoy!